What's good, BF fam? This is Big Tone coming at you from Big Tone Productions, Beats and Feast. You know what time it is. It's time for another cooking video. And today, we're going to do an easy but flavorful chicken tortilla soup. And we're doing it in the power pressure cooker. And so, I honestly like to call this a Southwestern chicken soup. Because we don't do it like they used to do it back in the day, where they thicken their sauces with tortillas. The only essence of the tortilla that we have on this new modern day twist of the chicken tortilla soup is the topping where we put the tortilla chips. So, but for all intents and purposes, we're going to call this chicken tortilla soup. So, if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video. Let's get started with the chicken tortilla soup. Alright, supporting cast is pretty simple. I'm showing you what I call the core supporting cast. Of course, there's going to be toppings that I'll put on top, like avocado, lime juice, the tortilla chips, and sour cream. Not showing those in the picture here. Those will be toppings that we put on top. Probably a little cilantro. But anyway, these are what's going in the pressure cooker. So of course I got 3 large chicken breasts here that I got. And I got 2 large onions. Some cilantro. I got a jalapeno. Use half of it in the actual, and then I'll throw a couple pieces on for garnish. Then I got chipotle peppers in an adobo sauce. We're going to put a couple of those in. I got some green chilies, and then my favorite, Rotel, the diced tomatoes with green chilies. I got a couple cans of those. Some black beans that we're gonna drain the juice off of those and use the black beans. Some corn here, chicken stock, and of course you gotta have our minced garlic, and some chili powder, some ground cumin. And then of course we got our salt and pepper, pink Himalayan. You know how I get down. So anyway, that's all the ingredients. Like I said, there's going to be toppers that we put on there, but for the most part, that is all the ingredients. So it's a very easy soup. So especially doing it in a power pressure cooker, it's just like put stuff in and let it go. So let's get started. First things first, we're over here at the pressure cooker. I'm going to pour in about, I'd say 2.5 tablespoons of vegetable oil. We're going to put this on sear mode, or saute mode on some of the pressure cookers. First thing we're going to start with is our onion. Put in about half or 3/4 of this onion that I got cut up. We're going to let that get hot until the onions saute and get a little softer. And then we'll add our garlic to it. Alright, and then I'm going to add also to the onion about half of my jalapeno pepper with the seeds and everything in it. So we're going to let this get hot, start to caramelize, or not caramelize, but get a little softer. As you can see, the onions are sauteed down a little bit. Oh, and it smells like onion heaven in here. So, to this we're going to add 1 large, massive tablespoon of minced garlic. And then we're going to go in with our green chilies. We're going to go in with our Rotel, diced tomatoes with green chilies in them. We're going to stir that up a little bit. And you know what? I think I'm going to add a regular can of diced tomatoes here as well. And this is the regular can of diced tomatoes. We're going to stir that up real good. Then we're going to jump into our chipotle peppers here in adobo sauce. So there's 1 and 2. Yeah, you know what? I'm going to put 3 in here. There's 3 chipotle peppers in adobo sauce, which essentially is nothing more than a jalapeno in adobo sauce. but it packs tons of flavor. All right, we're gonna mix those up a little bit. Now we're gonna go in with our chicken. Like I said, I got 3 large chicken breasts here, already washed and cleaned. And now we're going to go in with a little bit of our chicken stock. I'm going to put in about 2 cups. About half of this container. For now. Alright. Then we're going to jump in with a little bit of pepper. And we're going to go in with some pink Himalayan sea salt. There we go. A little bit of chili powder. And a little bit of cumin. Alright, we're going to mix these up in here just a little bit. Get the flavors going. Oh my God. You can smell this now. Alright. So essentially that's all we're going to do. Oh, I'm going to put the rest of my onions in now. There we go. Put those in right now. You know what, guys? There's something I totally forgot to put in there, and I do apologize. I forgot to put in my cilantro. So my cilantro is just going to go in the pot just like that. Just the way it came from the store. I washed it off. And honestly, I don't know why I kept those, but just dump them all in. Like I said, this is kind of a dump and go recipe. So we're going to put the lid on, as you can see. We're going to lock it down. Alright, so this one's real simple too. It only takes about 10 minutes for the chicken breast to cook. So we're going to go ahead and hit simply the soup stew button. Gives us 10 minutes on there. Right about now. It's going to start spinning around and around. And then once it builds pressure, which will take about 5 minutes, then it'll start counting down from 10 minutes. And we'll be back. It's been 10 minutes. And here is the chicken. After 10 minutes, and what I've done is gone out and I've taken the cilantro bundle out. We don't need that. It's in the juice now. I'm going to take the chicken out here. I took out the adobo peppers, or the jalapeno peppers that was in adobo sauce as well. We don't need that. We got the flavor. And I'm going to take out the chicken and I'm going to shred it up. I'm going to let it cool for just a second. But while we're waiting for that to cool, we're going to add our black beans in here. I'm going to stir this up a little bit. I'm going to taste this broth real quick. Oh yeah. Oh, this is going to be good, guys. This is going to be real good. I'm going to add my corn in here. You can use canned corn. You can use frozen corn. It's up to you. I like a lot of beans and like a lot of corn in it, so I'm gonna stir this up a little bit. Alright. And I'm gonna shred my chicken up. I'll be right back. So I got my chicken shredded up, as you can see there. Bam! So we're just gonna add that back into pressure cooker. Gonna mix that chicken into the soup. Oh my God, look at that. That's gonna be good. I'm gonna pour some more beef stock in it, or chicken stock, I'm sorry. It's probably about another 2 cups, maybe a cup and a half, what's left over from that one that I added earlier. We're going to stir this up in here just a little bit. And I'm going to add a little bit more stock to it. Usually it takes about 6 cups of stock, depending on how much you're making. There we go. But you can eyeball that as you're going through. Oh my gosh. There we go. And let me taste this a little bit. Alright, so as I taste it, and the reason why I did, the more stock you add, the more it loses a little bit of flavor. So I'm going to add a little bit more salt, a little bit more chili powder, a tad bit of ground cumin, and a little bit of black pepper. We're going to mix that all up in there good. Alright, so now we're just going to put the lid back on. We're going to set it for our soup stew button again, but we're not going to go, it automatically defaults to 10 minutes, but it's only going to take a couple minutes. So we're just going to set it on the soup stew button. It defaults to 10 minutes. I'll be back in about 2, and we'll plate this up for you. Oh, look at that. Oh my God. Let me plate this up for you guys. Homemade chicken tortilla soup. Finish it off with a little bit of lime. Like I said, I got some avocado in there, a little bit of jalapeno, chips, and sour cream. You know what I'm waiting for, guys. I'm waiting for that bite. You know that. Ooh, homemade chicken tortilla soup. Let me get my bite, guys. Oh my God. Oh, this is good. Oh my God. This is close to heaven.
Got it!
Hey guys, you really got to try this at home. You really do. On a nice cold day, this is perfect. But hey guys, if you liked the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video, and hey, this is Big Tone signing off. Peace.